So hi guys, my name is Anshul and you people are watching Hackdroid. So here you can see I already open a Jupyter notebook. So now I will tell you the another parts of a Python, like the Python is similar as compared to another programming languages. So in my last video I will tell you about the integer, like integer, the int value. So here you see like a is integer. Now we can go to the next part. I also told you about the string as well. So the b equal to my name. You can do everything here. So that is a string, and we can also go on of another part, that is a float. So the variable of c is like 10.5. That is a float value, and we can also go another part. So here is a we can not use here double. So I think that is sufficient here in basic programming. So now I will explain you like how you can do something better in programming. So I will show you like we can create some variable c e. Like I can show you something basics is a b is a variable here, and you can type your name, like someone name is Peter, and BC, and her mother name is like Lily, and his father name F is it's a variable. So the father name is like something like John. So here we can create a three variables in a string, and you just need to print that like the. But make sure if you want to see something like a header, like a heading in that way, so you need to write in a quotes, like firstly your name, like name, then comma ab, then again it's comma, then your mother name. So I can here write mother name. So mother name is, make sure you can give a space here. If you don't want, then you can also like slash n used here. I can use slash n just a minute, slash n, so it can break that line. So after that it's a bc. So make sure you can write after a comma, and again you write father name, that is John. So you can create a variable here fa. Here you can see the name is Peter, mother name is Lily, and the father name is John as well. So it is a string variables. So now we can move to a next step about the float. So the float values is like AC equal to, AC is a variable here. So that is something 12.5. And another variable BC is equal to 10.2. Both are the variables, and Cn equal to just AC minus, so BC, then you need to print it Cn, hit enter, the value is 2.3, and so on 0, and the last one is 7. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to subscribe, if you want to like our channel, then just hit like and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you guys.